Good morning, everybody, and welcome to my last and final day here in Sri Lanka. Hi, sir. Hello. Say hi. Hi. People are so friendly here. Guys keep stopping me on their motorbikes and tuk-tuk offering me rides, but you know, I'll walk. I feel like walking today. Anyway, I didn't film all of the hoopla of getting here this morning because after 9 days of filming here in Sri Lanka, I think you'll kind of get the gist of how to get around this beautiful country. It can kind of be chaotic, but once you get the hang of it, it's not too bad, and it's really affordable. Like my bus ride here costs me 30 rupees. It's maybe a quarter in US dollars, so yeah, pretty cheap. I am told that a part of Sri Lanka's history deals with colonialism from the Portuguese and the Dutch, and then also the British, until finally they reached their independence sometime in the 1940s. A lot of this town is inspired by those heritages and cultures, and you can see it in the form of its architecture, so I'm really excited to check it out. My first stop is the clock tower. It was built in 1883. I'm not doing these attractions in any kind of order. Hi! But I'm just walking around, literally. I don't have any plans. Just sitting here, having a moment on the edge of the fort, watching some of the local people swim in the ocean. Just so happy, carefree, enjoying family time, and yeah, it just makes me so happy. Some of the happiest people I have ever met. I mean, no country is perfect. I'm sure there are always going to be people who don't always have the best intentions. That's anywhere you go, especially in my country. But the way that they cater to tourists here, and the way that just walks by and everyone says hello, hello, and you smile at them and they smile back at you, it's just like the best greeting and welcome that I think anyone could have. So yeah, thank you, Sri Lanka. You have been absolutely incredible. Best first solo trip ever. Thank you. So I'm just walking around the Galle Fort area, and I'm getting kind of hungry, so I think I'm gonna stop at a place right up the road here and see if I can grab some food. So I've spent an amazing couple of hours here in Galle, and my time is run out. Basically, it's time for me to head back to my Airbnb villa, pack up my things because I have an early bus ride tomorrow to the airport, to Negombo, to head back home. So I wanted to conclude my vlog here. I hope that you guys enjoyed this journey with me. Otherwise, be kind, leave a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of my travels and all the things I have planned yet still to come, be sure to also subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next country. Bye!